Never seen that. So we getting ready to cook some beans and rice outside because our gas tank is out of gas. And this is a cook pot. Let me see. Excuse me, husband. But I don't think you can bring it in because probably my husband said you can bring it in once it stops smoking.
Our grandmother's when rainfall and it's too cold, too much cold. You know, we don't have electricity, and sometimes we have electricity, but you don't have nothing to warm the room.
Right.
So they set fire like this and put it inside the room, and then the room will be hot and warm, and they can sleep good instead of the room to be cold.
Oh, okay. So he's putting on the onions. What you putting on, husband? You gonna grill the onions and garlic, or just onions?
Onion, garlic, and then oil and pepper and salt.
You gonna put that in there now?
Yeah.
He's getting ready to put. That's tomato paste?
Yeah.
He's gonna put tomato paste in and simmer it all together. Onions, garlic, red pepper, and tomato paste. He's gonna simmer it all together. They smell food, but they don't smell. They smell food, but Latifah kicked their head off. They ain't finna give me a piece of whatever's going in this pot. But that's the mother. She's pregnant. She's the mother of the other 9 dogs. And she's pregnant again. So the beans are done, y'all. The beans are done. I asked my husband, are they hard? Because I don't like hard beans. They feel a little hard, but he said they're not. They're a little hard. Yeah, they're a little hard.
It's soft.
Soft?
You're hungry, that's right. Okay.
So we got pinto beans, no, black eyed peas and rice. But there's no juice. He said he cooked them a special way today. I like the juice. I like the gravy. Yup. So this is an outdoor cooked meal.
It's not gonna be like wachi.
Huh?
It's not gonna be like wachi.
I want some refried beans from the U.S. so bad. I gotta order some. Have somebody mail them to me, Nicole or somebody. I love refried beans. I think that's why I like to smash my beans.
Refried beans.
Refried beans, they're like beans you put in a blender or something. I don't know. They're like smashed up beans. I don't have nothing to drink. Marty, what you put in these beans?
Love coffee.
Is some kind of meat in here?
No meat. No meat, no money.
No meat?
No meat.
Okay. But I be no meat in here.
You used to meat in there.
No, but I tasted something that it might have been an onion. I don't know. I always think you'd be sneaking meat in my food because you wanted it in yours. Like the time you had that piece of beef and something that you cooked. And I said, what is this? And you said beef and I wouldn't eat it. Remember? Yes, I do eat meat. But I don't really eat no meat in Ghana. Because all their meat is fresh and it's like there's no meat pieces. Like there's no rib eye or no pork chop or no lamb chop, or it's just chopped. They just chop the meat up and you don't know what's what. And it's fresh. It was killed like yesterday or today. I don't eat nothing but chicken over here. I haven't had no chicken. Well, I had some chicken wings about last week, I think. I gotta get my mic. So anyway, this is my meal. Rice and black eyed peas cooked outside on what's called a cook pot. It's like this, well, you'll see it on the video. It's called a cook pot. And there's always a way. We ran out of gas again on the gas on our stove. We ran out of gas. We'll get some gas tomorrow. I might not even get none tomorrow, but my husband always finds a way to cook. Whether he got a light wood, charcoal, cook pot, whatever, or we had the air fryer before it went out, and there's always a way to make something work. We'll do charcoal tomorrow. Okay. He said we'll use charcoal again tomorrow. We ain't buying no gas.
It's cheaper.
It's cheaper. Anyway, y'all, I need something. Do we have water?
Yeah.
A fly got in my Kool-Aid. I'm pissed off about it. Anyway, that's my meal. I'm gonna finish eating, and then me and my husband finna make a video answering y'all's questions. I don't know when it's gonna post, but you'll see it. It might post in a few days or next week, but I'm batch posting, so yeah, today is the 18th of May. You might not see this video until the 24th or the 25th or something like that. Okay, bye-bye.